Hello students, the poem that we are going to discuss today is The Ball Poem by John Berryman. John Berryman was an American poet and scholar. He was born on 25th October 1914 and he died on 7th January 1972. He is best known for the Dream Songs, which was a sequence of 385 poems. He won Pulitzer Prize for the Dream Songs. He also won National Book Award. Now, the central idea of the ball poem. The poet watches a young boy playing with his ball. The next minute, his ball rolls away from him and falls into the water of the harbor. As the boy watches his ball disappear, he can also feel his childhood slip away from him. He feels himself growing up very fast as he learns that loss is a part of everyday life and that life goes on despite it. The sight of the sad little boy pains the poet, but he knows that growing up is an unavoidable process. Now let's look at the first stanza of the poem. What is the boy now? Who has lost his ball? What is he to do? I saw it go, merrily bouncing down the street, and then merrily over. There, it is in the water. So, merrily means happily, bouncing means to move a ball up and down, and merrily over means bounces off. The poet is talking about a boy who has lost his ball. He wants to know about him and his reaction because he has lost his ball. Further, he asks to himself that what this boy will do after losing his ball. The poet has seen the ball going away from the boy. He says that the ball was cheerfully jumping up and down in the street. This means that when the ball skipped from boy's hand, it went into the street and later on it fell into the nearby river. Now look at the next lines. No use to say, oh, there are other balls. An ultimate shaking grief fixes the boy as he stands rigid, trembling, staring down all his young days into the harbor where his ball went. I would not intrude on him. A dime, another ball is worthless. Now he senses first responsibility. Grief means sorrow, rigid means fixed, trembling is shaking, and harbor is the port. Intrude means invader. Dime is a currency which is the US currency and it is equal to 10 cents. And worthless means valueless or useless. The poet says that there is no benefit of consoling the boy by saying that he will get another ball because he has other balls too. He says so because the boy is feeling very sad. He is completely surrounded by sorrow. He is sad because all the memories of the childhood days went down the harbor with the ball. Here, the poet says that the boy is very sad as the ball, which has now gone into the water, reminds him of those sweet memories of the times when he owned it. This loss is unbearable for him and he is grief stricken. The poet says that he can't even tell the boy to take some money from him in order to buy another ball. He says so because the new ball will not bring the sense of belonging to the boy. Further, the poet says that the time has come for the boy to learn the responsibility of taking care of his things. Now, the next lines. In a world of possession, people will take balls. Balls will be lost always, little boy. And no one buys a ball back. Money is external. He's learning well behind his desperate eyes. The epistemology of loss, how to stand up, knowing what every man must one day know, and most know many days how to stand up. So, desperate means hopeless. Epistemology of loss means understanding the nature of loss or what it means to lose something. Epistemology, it is a Greek word episteme, which means knowledge. Here the poet says that the boy has to learn that in this materialistic world, many of his belongings will be lost. He personifies the ball as his belongings, be it the worldly things or the relationships he is in possession of. So he says that he has to learn to live without them no matter what. He says no one can buy back such things for him. The poet said so because, according to him, money can't buy everything. If it does buy you some materialistic thing, still it will not be able to buy the sense of belongingness. He says that the boy is learning how to stand up against the sense of lost things. This means that the boy is trying to learn the real truth of life, which state that you have to accept the miseries of life and stand up again. This is the truth which everyone has to learn in his or her life. The harsh truth of standing up against the odd miseries of life that everyone has to bear. So that's all for today.